Hey everyone, we have a Honda S2000 AP2 headlight build finished up today. This customer purchased our headlight performance and style package for his OEM AP2 headlights. The customer was out in Barbados, so he sent his OEM lights in for basically a refresh and our projector tuning. So we basically clear lens swapped the factory projectors, tuned them properly for a nice sharp cutoff with blue and purple color flicker. It really looks way better than the stock lenses. So you're going to notice that immediately down the road. And given his main reason for sending them in was the headlight lenses, which were severely hazed and had stress cracks and just were beyond the point of any type of restoration. So we do offer new headlight lens replacement for the AP1 and AP2 S2000s, and most vehicles, most Honda S2000s are going to have this kind of issue. Unfortunately, Honda doesn't make new OEM lenses, but we do source these from aftermarket headlights and basically transplant them onto your OEM housings. So as you can see here, the end result is a brand new set, brand new looking set of headlights. He really didn't want any additional modifications here, so internally really everything is stock other than the projector lens tuning and upgrades we did to the projector itself. We're gonna cut one of these headlights on. We have the left side one hooked up, or driver's side, just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like lit up. Obviously, you know, it's gonna look the same as before. I mean, we really didn't do any cosmetic modifications here. But down road and the beam pattern, you'll immediately notice it's much sharper and you have a lot more color out of them. So yeah, if you have a Honda S2000, you're looking for any type of restoration to the factory lenses, or a complete new headlight lens installed onto the headlights to just basically get them looking brand new. We do offer that service in conjunction to our projector lens tuning, and of course you can add other modifications such as halos, demon eyes. The JDM clear corners are popular modification as well for the S2000s. We can do all that, and really just reach out to us if you have any questions about this build package. You can check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. We do have a headlight package product page for this vehicle that's already on the website, where you can customize out and build out exactly how you want your headlights to look. And of course, we can also build your package on brand new OEM headlights if that's what you want, so you don't have to send these in. Final notes about these headlights. Customers out in Barbados, so yeah, you did send them quite a ways, and it was really cool working on these because these were actually right-hand drive. We don't really work on right-hand drive vehicles that often, but the right-hand drive cutoff really looks pretty badass with the lens tuning and the projector modifications we've done. So once again, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. Check out the headlight package for the Honda S2000s if you're in the market for some custom headlights. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.